Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Mary from Mary'sKitchenMtl. In this video, I will show you how to make a traditional Italian Christmas treat that is called Cicerchiata. This delightful dessert is made of sweet dough shaped into little balls that are deep fried and coated in honey. You can mix the ingredients with a stand mixer, a hand mixer, or by hand. Here are the ingredients and procedure. Add 2 large egg yolks at room temperature inside a large bowl, 4 large egg whites at room temperature, 1/3 cup of sunflower oil, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and the zest of 1 lemon. Beat on medium speed for 2 minutes. Gradually add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Beat on low-medium speed until blended. Remove the beaters and continue adding the flour. Mix with a rubber spatula or a wooden spoon. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder into the remaining 1/2 cup of flour. Mix and add this to the batter. Continue mixing. Flour your work surface and transfer the dough. Sprinkle some flour on the dough, fold and knead. Knead vigorously. Dust more flour if the dough is sticky. Knead for 5 to 8 minutes until the dough is silky and smooth. Shape into a ball. The dough should not stick to your finger. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, line a large tray with parchment paper. Flatten the dough a little with your hands. Cut it in half and set half aside. Roll out pieces of dough, shape into long thin ropes about the thickness of a pencil. Cut the ropes into little pieces the size of a chickpea. Spread the pieces out on the lined tray. Set this tray aside and line another large tray with parchment paper. Repeat the process with the other half piece of dough. Add 1 3/4 cups of sunflower oil in a 12-inch wide by 3-inch high skillet. You may also use a wide and tall saucepan. Turn the heat on to medium-high and allow the oil to heat up. Test the oil with 1 ball. The oil is ready once the ball sizzles. Fry 1 tray at a time. This step needs your constant supervision. Turn heat to low if the oil begins to bubble and rise. You may also remove the skillet from the burner for a few minutes to bring down the oil's temperature. Move the balls around with a slotted spoon. They will puff up as they cook. Once the balls are golden, turn off the heat. Transfer them onto a paper-lined colander. Repeat the process with the second tray. Add 1 cup of honey in a large skillet. Turn the heat on to medium. Allow the honey to warm up. This will take about 2 minutes. Once the honey is warm, throw in the fried balls. Stir continuously for about 5 minutes or until they are well coated. Turn off the heat. Now prepare a large tray with paper muffin cups. Place clusters of honey balls in each cup. Add as many as you like. Top with colored sprinkles. Enjoy! I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next time.